Maybe put this on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, why not?
I actually have. I make about $2 on it.
Oh, do you?
Advertising, yeah.
Excellent. So much wind going on underneath that helicopter. Like,
What do you think they attached to the hole?
I think that rope's just gonna go around it. In some way, some shape or form. I'm sure they've got like a safe way to do it. I mean, I don't know how to tie a log to a helicopter. I can tie myself into a rock if I'm gonna go rock climbing, but I can't tie a log to a helicopter. But I'm sure they got a way to do it. But yeah, I would think that's just